Hello! For customized adhesive label this product, it can be tested quality by following points.
Firstly, consider whether the label material meets your requirements, such as paper-based or film-based. Secondly, assess the adhesive quality by checking if it sticks firmly and leaves no residue upon removal. Thirdly, inspect the printing quality by examining the clarity, accuracy, the absence of noticeable color discrepancies or blurriness in the text and the graphics on the label. Lastly, ensure that the size, specifications, and shape of the label are neat with no visible, rough edges or damages.
After doing these checks, you can easily get the quality of labels. If you have any requirements, you can welcome to give us the messages.